Listen, listen to me. Humanity and life is God provided for His own reason and purpose. So we must be honored and preserved. We all matter in equal proportion. Purpose and duty of migration is a God-given requirement, while I, as an individual person, must live to ensure and accomplish for His glory and increasing praise. We all matter in equal proportion. Beautiful and wonderfully made we are. In His image and likeness, we are made for His representation, for great works here and beyond. Spare my life for this task, I pray. We all matter in equal proportion. Consider me therefore as your sister. Consider me as your brother. Consider me as your mother or father, or probably a distant relation. Let's all join up to stop human brutality, human murder, and embrace God's love. For God is love to all. We all matter in equal proportion.